In our last video, you see us take our very first overnight train from Bangkok all the way up north to here in Chiang Mai. I can hear you opening your M&Ms from the other side of the train. We arrived first thing in the morning for sunrise, where we later picked up our bike. I have missed these scooters so much. Here we go, baby. We're back, baby. And watch the sunset of the beautiful Chiang Mai. Now that we've had a couple of days here in Chiang Mai, we're ready to show you around. We originally planned to go zip lining here, but after researching, we found a lot of articles stating that these zip line places aren't as regulated as they should be. So we're gonna start our day off with something a little bit more safe, which I think could be really interesting.
I'm excited.
Thank you.
One vegetarian.
Potato. Sorry, thank you.
This one's sweet potato. This is the churro. Sweet potato. Really good.
It looks like ginger.
Oh my god, I really like it. I like it so much.
Already losing our group.
This is classic.
Radhika.
This is the jackfruit.
I'm okay, thank you.
Smell nice and taste so sweet.
Oh.
But similar like a durian.
Oh.
The fruit is look like a durian.
Oh, it looks like okay.
This is jackfruit.
Oh yeah. Like sweet mango.
Gimme.
Right.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Good, yeah.
Kind of weird.
Sweet mango, right? Thank you.
You can share it for your team.
I guess we're counting this one, huh? How do we eat?
I get it. Oh my gosh, but seriously.
Hey, just stop laughing. Yeah.
No, I don't.
Okay. This is too early to eat all this.
They have the very small one that is the Thai garlic. This one is the China from China.
China? I have to have my China.
Smell very nice, not too hot. And Thai people, Asian people, we love garlic. We treat them like a money. Very important when we stir fry like a pad Thai. Masman, spicy, sour, and sweet. For vegetarian people, this one I don't recommend you because they add the shrimp paste. This one is the tom yum paste or the curry paste. We call the chili jams. Taste very good, a little bit hot and sweet. We add in green curry, red curry, panang, masaman, khao soy. We add in papaya.
You get some durian?
No.
Spicy.
Spicy?
It's spicy.
This one?
Yeah.
Yep, just.
They're all spicy.
Thank you.
Kambuka,
Where
thank
you come from?
Ireland.
Oh!
Far away.
Hey, everybody, now we arrived.
Another two. Take your time drinking water, coffee, tea, and banana for everyone.
Oh, thank you.
See you in 15 minutes. I come to talking about the menu.
We are in the cooking skill and we got our menu and basically we have to choose one from each category that we're going to make. We're strategically going to pick different things so that we can make more. Basically, Fionn can just cook me loads of meals when we're at home.
Struggle? Thank you. Hey, Sheriff.
Look, I'm Woody. Howdy. Give me that.
The gang.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your sausage.
ขอบคุณค่ะ And this one is the PX bag. Then I show you in the market.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ And this one is more bitter. You
Is it
like to
cooked?
try? How difference between the baby
Thank you.
and this is taste difference. You can eat them raw. It's good. If
Sure.
you don't like, just take them off. Apple
Sure.
Apple
What does it
egg
taste
can
like?
be add in the green curry.
I'm not sure.
Red curry. Papaya salad.
Onion and apple.
Okay.
Combined?
Yeah. Funky.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
This is the snake beans or the long beans. Add in papaya salad, add in green curry, red curry. You can taste it. Long beans, snake beans. Add in the papaya salad. Add in green curry, add in red curry. We only for stir fry. We use them only for stir fry with chicken, with seafood. Only basil taste like a
sweet
mint.
juice?
Thai basil.
Like a mojito.
European people they call
yeah,
Thai.
it smells like
Add
it would
in
be
green curry.
in like a
add in
smoothie
the
or
red
something.
curry.
Yeah.
Makes
I don't like
smell
it.
very sweet basil. Taste mint. Okay, are you starving? First ingredients for stir fry. The second, we cut firm tofu. Cut half on this side. Make a small pieces. Put side down.
'Tis confusion.
And they have the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 corner. Remove one corner like this. Make that one shape.
La partie la plus rugueuse en haut.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich. You need tofu Okay, we add onion first. Tender, more tender, smell good, add tofu.
Yes, chef.
Then we're gonna add some tofu.
What do I always say? Anyone can cook.
Well, yeah, anyone can. That doesn't mean that anyone should.
Right now, we taste together where it feels good. If we add a lot of sauce, it's more color is change. Add lông thôi đi nha. Yeah, sauce, right.
Will I turn this down? Down?
Yeah, down. And round. Right now, if you're happy, it's good, we will turn off. But you taste first. If everything good, please turn off. Take your fried rice into the bowl.
Of course you're going to say that's your f***ing meal. If I was cooking it, you would have hated it. Yeah.
The jungle life.
Not too shabby.
Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ
It's okay? Thank you. No.
Well done. Well done.
Bon appetit.
You were meant to see the.
Whoopsies.
I'll be fine. Be fine.
We ain't gonna wait. I'm starving. Yeah, so good.
Spicy ginger galangal, turmeric cookie mat, lesser ginger, finger root. Harder, faster. Your curry today is good and not good is depend on you.
Okay.
Too spicy, please let me know.
Okay.
I make less spicy for you. 1 spoon sauce. Your spoon.
So awful.
How to cut?
You are a disgrace!
Add lemon grass into grass.
Yeah, either can I.
We left with
Full bellies.
and made our way back to the centre of Chiang Mai. Thank you. We originally planned this video to be just one full video, but we had so much fun at the cooking school that we had to dedicate one full video to it. Honestly, if you're in Chiang Mai, you have to do this. You've seen us. We ain't cooks, but we absolutely love today. So that means next week there will be a part 2 of Chiang Mai. Make sure to check it out, but until then, head over to our playlist to see our previous Thai videos, or if you have the time, sit back and cringe at our watch from the beginning playlist. We really appreciate you watching to the end, and we will see you next week. Bye!